Welcome once again to Health Flag with Nanekia, and I am Nanekia. Here we discuss everything about health and wellness. In our previous video, we started talking about halitosis. We spoke about the causes and the symptoms of halitosis. In this video, we'll be talking about the risk factors of halitosis, the treatment options, and finally, we will discuss how to prevent halitosis. Therefore, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Now let's talk about the risk factors of halitosis. Your risk of having bad breath is higher when you consume some foods that causes bad breath, such as garlics, onions, and some spices. Also, you risk of getting halitosis when you smoke. Now, if you have poor oral hygiene, you also stand the risk of having halitosis. When you consume some medicines like diuretics, antihistamines, antidepressants, and some analgesics and others, it may cause dry mouth, which can lead to halitosis. And some infection of the mouth can also risk you of having bad breath. If you are infected by some disease like diabetes, liver conditions, or kidney conditions, and some cancers can also risk you of getting halitosis. And there is also a condition known as gastroesophageal reflux diseases, GERD. If you have this condition, that's the reflux of acid from the stomach to the esophagus, you also stand the risk of getting halitosis. Let's discuss about the treatment options for halitosis. Halitosis treatment depends on the root cause of the issue. Therefore, if your halitosis is a symptom of a condition somewhere in your body, your dentist may refer you to a primary healthcare provider who can help you with a proper diagnosis and treatment. If your halitosis is also caused by a buildup in your mouth, a bacterial buildup in your mouth known as plaque, your dentist will recommend a mouth rinse or toothpaste which contains antibacterials to help you kill the bacteria that causes the plaque buildup in your mouth. Finally, if you have any dental diseases, your dentist will help you in the treatment using antibacterials to help you clear the dental disease out of your mouth, thereby freeing you from the halitosis or bad breath. Let's discuss about how to prevent halitosis. To reduce or prevent halitosis, it's important to brush your teeth at least twice a day using a fluoride-containing toothpaste, especially after meals. Also, it is necessary to wash your mouth thoroughly after every meal. It is important to floss at least once a day, as it will help you to remove food particles and plaque in between your teeth, thereby reducing bad breath. Our tongue also collects bacteria as they help them to grow in our mouth, causing bad breath. Therefore, it is important to thoroughly clean your tongue. You can also use tongue scrapers if you have a buildup of, or your tongue is coated with this bacteria. When there is a major overgrowth of bacteria in your mouth, it can cause bad breath. Therefore, using a tongue scraper can help you to clean your tongue very well. In the case of dry mouth and smoking, tongue scraper is very, very important. If you wear a bridge or a denture, it is necessary to clean it thoroughly at least once a day or as directed by your dentist. We have to also keep your mouth moist by taking in a lot of fluids and also reducing the intake of coffee, the intake of alcohol, and the intake of some spicy food. You have to also avoid smoking as it can cause dry mouth. You have to also change your diet. Food that that brings about bad breath, as we discussed earlier, include onions, garlics, and some spices. Therefore, changing your diet can help you reduce bad breath. Then you have to replace your toothbrush at least between 3 to 4 months. You have to change your toothbrush, and also you have to schedule a regular dental checkups twice a year. This brings us to the end of our discussion on halitosis. In the subsequent video and in this video, we spoke about the causes of halitosis, we spoke about the symptoms, we spoke about the risk factors, the treatment options, and finally, we discussed how to prevent halitosis. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share our videos, as we bring you nothing but quality content on your health. Here is Health Flag with Nanekia, and I am Nanekia. We discuss everything about your health and your wellness.